Outline: aliens laughed at humans until we cracked their language. Word count: 2,000 words, 500 words per section. Purpose: the outline follows the rules of an hfy, humanity, f*****, short story, emphasizing humanity's resilience, intelligence, and adaptability in a first-contact sci-fi scenario. Section 1. First Contact and the Galactic Ridicule, 500 words. Purpose: set up the initial conflict and establish humanity's position in the galactic community. Introduce the aliens and their dismissive attitude toward humans. Content breakdown. Opening scene: a human diplomatic envoy arrives at the Galactic Assembly for the first time. Description of the Galactic Assembly: various advanced alien races with impressive technology and sophisticated communication systems. Alien perception of humans: aliens mock the humans for their primitive technology and inability to understand advanced galactic languages. Introduction of protagonist: a linguist, Dr. Myra Patel, assigned to crack the complex alien languages. Tension point: humans face exclusion from important galactic decisions due to their linguistic incompetence. Section 2. The struggle to decode the alien language, 500 words. Purpose: highlight the challenges faced by humanity in trying to understand the alien languages, emphasizing determination and creativity. Content breakdown. Protagonist's dedication: Dr. Patel works tirelessly in a makeshift lab aboard the human flagship. Complexity of alien languages: multi-layered tonal patterns, colors, and even scents used for communication. Failed attempts: descriptions of frustrating trials and errors. Support from unlikely allies: a curious alien scientist secretly offers hints, intrigued by human persistence. Turning point: Dr. Patel notices a recurring pattern in the communication signals, a potential breakthrough. Section 3. The breakthrough and shift in power, 500 words. Purpose: show humanity's triumph and the turning of the tables on the arrogant aliens. Content breakdown. Eureka moment: Dr. Patel decodes the alien language using a combination of linguistic algorithms and human intuition. Demonstration of mastery: during the next Galactic Assembly, Dr. Patel speaks fluently in multiple alien dialects, stunning the audience. Shock among aliens: their laughter turns to silence and respect. Diplomatic victory: humans negotiate fair trade agreements and gain a respected seat at the Galactic Assembly. Subtle humor: the once mocking aliens now scramble to understand human metaphors and jokes. Section 4. The last laugh, 500 words. Purpose: deliver a satisfying conclusion, reinforcing humanity's ingenuity and adaptability while maintaining a humorous tone. Content breakdown. Galactic culture shift: humans become known for their linguistic prowess and clever problem-solving. Dr. Patel's legacy: she becomes a celebrated figure in human and alien societies. Final Galactic Assembly: an alien representative attempts to tell a human-style joke but fails miserably, prompting laughter from humans and aliens alike. Narrative closure: humans are no longer the butt of the joke but respected contributors to the galaxy. Final line: in the end, it wasn't just about cracking their language, it was about making sure they never forgot ours. Back aboard the human ship, Myra Patel's workstation was a chaotic mess of holographic screens displaying complex sound waves, shifting symbols, and fragmented audio patterns. She stared at them with bloodshot eyes, her fingers hovering over the input panel as frustration gnawed at her resolve. Cracking the alien language seemed impossible. The linguistic algorithms she had designed, cutting edge by human standards, barely scratched the surface. Every attempt to categorize the tonal frequencies resulted in incomprehensible data. Visual elements embedded in their communication added another layer of complexity, as did subtle chemical signals that human senses couldn't even detect. "It's like trying to solve a puzzle without half the pieces," she muttered, brushing a stray lock of hair behind her ear. A low beep interrupted her thoughts. Commander Ruiz appeared on the comm screen, his expression grim. "Any progress, Dr. Patel?" "Progress?" Myra sighed. "Barely. Their language isn't just sounds, it's sights, smells, and who knows what else. We're missing too many variables." Ruiz frowned. "We need a breakthrough, Doctor." The assembly reconvenes in a few days, and right now, they're shutting us out of everything important. I know, she said quietly, determination hardening her voice. I'll keep working. Hours passed, turning into a blur of failed hypotheses and dead ends. Myra's thoughts drifted back to Earth, where humanity had always thrived on adaptation. From deciphering ancient languages to cracking complex codes during wartime, humans had a knack for solving the unsolvable. Taking a deep breath, she cleared her mind and focused on the raw data. Patterns, there had to be patterns. Every language, no matter how alien, followed some structure. Her gaze locked onto a set of repeating tonal sequences, faint but consistent. She amplified the signals, isolating them from the noise. Wait a second, she whispered, leaning forward. That's not random. Her fingers danced across the console as she layered visual data over the audio signals. The tones corresponded with subtle shifts in light frequencies. The realization hit her like a lightning bolt. They're not just talking, they're synchronizing light patterns to convey meaning. Excitement surged through her, but she tempered it with caution. One discovery wouldn't be enough. She needed more data. Suddenly, a faint chime indicated an incoming message. Myra's eyes widened as an unfamiliar alien figure appeared on the screen, a translucent being with bioluminescent tendrils. You seek understanding, the alien said in perfect human English, its tone curious rather than mocking. Myra's breath caught. You speak our language? We observe. We learn. But your persistence is intriguing. Why help me? The alien's tendrils glowed faintly. Curiosity. And perhaps, amusement. Myra's lips curled into a determined smile. Then let's see how amused you'll be when we crack your entire communication system. The alien's glow pulsed, a gesture that might have been approval. We shall see, human. Myra turned back to her console, invigorated. Humanity wasn't out of the game yet.